In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with LinkedIn, including LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Recruiter, all in just 5 minutes. To get started, head over to appexchange.salesforce.com. Once you're there, you'll want to search for LinkedIn Sales Navigator for Salesforce. This is a crucial first step because LinkedIn Sales Navigator is the bridge that connects Salesforce with LinkedIn, allowing you to manage your LinkedIn activities directly from your Salesforce dashboard. After finding LinkedIn Sales Navigator for Salesforce in the App Exchange, click the Get It Now button. You'll need to decide whether to install it in your production environment or in a sandbox environment for testing purposes. Make this choice based on your current needs and proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, it's time to log into your Salesforce account. You'll see the familiar interface, and from here, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Setup menu. This is where you'll customize and manage many of your Salesforce settings. Once you're in the Setup menu, search for Advanced Setup, where we'll perform some initial configurations for our integration. Next, you'll use the Quick Find search bar. This handy tool helps you quickly navigate to specific settings you need to access. In the Quick Find bar, type LinkedIn Sales Navigator and then click on LinkedIn Sales Navigator Setup from the results. This will direct you to the page where you can configure and finalize the integration. Now comes a critical step, authorizing the connection between Salesforce and your LinkedIn account. You'll see a button labeled Authorize. Click this to start the authorization process. At this point, Salesforce will prompt you to log into your LinkedIn account and grant the necessary permissions for the integration to work. Carefully review the permissions requested, as this ensures Salesforce can access LinkedIn's features appropriately, enhancing your CRM capabilities. Agree to these permissions when prompted by LinkedIn to allow the integration. And just like that, you have successfully integrated Salesforce with LinkedIn Sales, Navigator, and Recruiter. What you've essentially done is streamline your workflow, enabling you to access LinkedIn's networking and recruiting features right from within Salesforce. This integration is a powerful tool for maximizing your productivity and managing client relationships effectively. Keep in mind as you continue to use the system to explore additional features and configurations that can further align with your business needs. Thank you for watching, and congratulations on completing this integration. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. We're always here to help you get the most out of your tools.